This is Ask Me About First Home Buying. My name is Elizabeth Lyons. I'm a country artist, singer, songwriter, and in this video, I'm going to break down DIY decor hacks. So measurements and inspiration. At the inspection, it was like a 5-hour inspection, I think, and usually inspections kind of go long. So while you're in the inspection, instead of just sitting there, I took pictures of all of the rooms and measured out everything. So I would take a picture on my iPhone and then mark up what the measurements were. They had staged the house really beautifully, and so I knew exactly what size rugs I needed, what size furniture, what size art, because I had already had all the measurements. So that made my life really easy. So then when you're looking for things for the house, that you can just kind of look back at the measurements and what they had and what fit in their space. Size to the space is really important. So if you have something that's too big for this space, it's gonna feel weird. Or if you have something too little for the space, it's gonna feel weird. I think that really is like the biggest thing. It's not really about as much the quality of things or the quantity. It's about like making sure that things fit the space properly. Once you have all the photos and measurements, I put it into a PowerPoint presentation or Keynote, or you can put it in a Word document, so whatever works for you. And then I pulled together an inspiration board on Pinterest and on Instagram saved photos, and then brought those into what I wanted each room to look like. We like to just kind of copy and paste. When we see something that we like, we just copy and paste it to our room, and that's what we really did for our apartment. That way, you know, we don't necessarily have like the eye or aren't an interior decorator, but nowadays we're so lucky that we are able to just see so much online and get inspiration from so many different places. Once you create the mood board and you have all the dimensions of everything, you can start looking on different websites to pull together what furniture and art and decor that you want. Reach out to friends who are in interior design or have recently had a house, or if you go to someone's house for drinks or something, ask them like, oh, hey, where did you get this? Or where do you get this? Don't be afraid to ask your friends. And it's actually kind of fun. Like, I message some of my girlfriends all the time, like, hey, like, love this, or like, you know, just send each other things. And word of mouth is always like the best way to learn. If you liked what you saw today, please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I'd love to hear from you. And if you love country music, make sure to check out my music on all music platforms. And as an independent artist, it means a lot to us if you just download, add to playlists and heart. It's free to do and it takes no time at all, and we truly appreciate it. Thank you.